Hello guys. Welcome back to R.J Tech. In this video I will tell you how to download and install Play Store in Windows 10. So let's go. First you open Chrome browser and click on 9 dots on the top upper corner and then click on the Play Store. You will see Play Store will be opened. Now click on the 3 dots and click on the Save and Share and then click on the Create a Shortcut. You will see the Play Store will be installed in your PC. When you click on the Play Store, you will see Play Store will be opened. Now we search here any random AP such as calculator and press enter. Now click on the app and copy the link and open a new tab in Chrome and type APK Pure and click on the first link. Now paste this link and press enter. Then download this APK. Then open a new tab and Tile Menu Player. Download this app and open this app in your PC. Now click on the APK install and locate the APK file of calculator and click open. Then you see the same app install in your computer. Just click it and open this app. I hope his video is very useful for you. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.